Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Bahamian Unicorn, and I am back with another video. But in this video, I am doing a wig review. Yay! This review is gonna be on Jessica hair. This is a wig that I got off Amazon that I ordered. This is the box it came in. Do not mind the box being bust up. This is from me. I have the box the way it looks the way it is because of me. Okay, so this is the box here. Standard packaging. Like I said, I have the box looking the way it is. So I'm just going to pull this off. Like, this is how inside the box looks. This is the hair. This is what it comes in. And it comes with, the standard wig cap. The mesh wig cap with a strap. This is a 13x6 lace front human hair wig with pre-plucked baby hairs. So pre-plucked means they already customized the hairline for you and all of that. This is 8 inches that I got. The density is 150%. The color is a natural hair color. That's all they had, natural hair. And the price is $87.90. And they have a $5 off coupon that you can apply at checkout. The packaging that it comes in. And it just has 8 inches. It comes with the little hair thing on it. And this is how the wig looks. It smells like hair. It smells like hair. It doesn't smell like bad or anything. It doesn't have a strong chemical scent. Like I know some wigs on Amazon have a very bad scent. But it feels nice. The curls are soft. This is Brazilian. And this is supposed to be water wave. This is water wave. This is the lace. The lace is soft. This is the parting space. Fairly deep. This is the lace is skin tone. I don't know if you can see it. And this is how the baby hairs look. It has 3 combs. 2 to the front, to the sides, and 1 to the back. And a 4th one in the back. 2 straps to the back. And what I normally do is I just put the straps together. Just like that. Now y'all know my head shaved to the back and to the side. So it's nothing for the combs to go into. There's lace in the back as well. But I'm just going to put this on. I might have enough hair in the back. I'm not sure. Oh, this looks nice. But this is how it's looking. Like I said, it was 8 inches. And oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Even without me defining the curls or anything like that. And oh, this front, like the baby hairs. Let me see if I can get you to look at that. Hello. Hello. Look at that. The hairline is natural looking. I might go in and just pluck a few more. But nothing major. Maybe just a few more. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to bleach the knots because I've never bleached knots before. But what I am going to do, I'm going to put some foundation on it. And then I'm going to be and cut the lace and I'm going to be right back. And this is it. Without bleaching and nothing, I just put some foundation on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tie down the edges just so they could stick. But the hair lays good. I think when I bleach it, it will look more natural. This is how it falls at 8 inches. But what I'm going to do is tie down the edges because that's what I see people is do. This is my first time with a lace wig. Okay guys, this is the finished product with the wig. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck the part. The only thing I did was glue it down. And where I glued it, is this hair going in my mouth? What is going on here? But this is how it looks. I am in love. For my first time putting on a lace wig, like a human hair lace wig, I am impressed with myself. Just gotta pat myself on the chest for that one because I did the damn thing. I did the damn thing. The wig feels awesome. I wet it and I put some styling mousse on it and with water, and I just scrunched it so I could get the curls popping, you know, back to life because it was real dry. She was rough. She had a rough travel coming to me. And I could comb it back. I could part it anywhere in the front. But because I didn't bleach the knots, I think when I'm parting it, I'd have to put some concealer wherever the part is. But this is how the parting looks. I pluck the part in a bit wherever I do it, but yeah. Or if I wanted to put it up in one here, I could do it. I could put it up in one like that, like that. I could comb it straight back. I could do all of that. But I most definitely would be ordering again. Hopefully, when this video comes out, they would see your girl video and be like, hey, just have some free hair on us, you know. And you can check out my review on Amazon because I will be posting this video on Amazon so everybody can see this is the truth. This ain't no fraud around here. Jessica hair is the truth. My phone is saying it's dying again. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And remember to always be you because nobody else can. And please, oh please, 2019 is coming in. Don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. I love you guys. See you in the next video.